Hello, I'm Elizabeth Cady Stanton. In 1848, I was one of 5 organizers of the first Women's Rights Convention held in the United States. It was in Seneca Falls, New York. Adopting the words of the Declaration of Independence, we penned our own Declaration of Sentiments, declaring that all men and women are created equal. I also insisted that within the scope of our resolutions, we include the struggle for eventual woman suffrage, the vote in the United States for all citizens, male and female. This would officially begin the struggle for women's equality in this nation, a struggle which, sadly, I would not see the resolution of in my lifetime. So I ask you, posterity, how are the efforts for equality progressing? Are all men and women truly being treated as they are created? In business, in legislation, even in society, are they truly equal?